What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. We're going to get a little water. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you have not checked out my digital program, all right, on how you can earn daily pay from anywhere in the world using a smart device and Wi-Fi connection with full automation and training, okay, step-by-step training. Go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com, right? So, you guys have been following me, know I have been promoting this particular program, right? Now, but we want to get into today, before I get into that, I owe you guys an update because I switched marketing systems, right? I was with a marketing system for years, one particular marketing system. They changed management, okay? Sometimes when that happens, service can decline. Sometimes it kind of just stays stagnant. You don't even, it's just transparent, no issues, right? My case, unfortunately, there were issues. When they changed management, they sold the company. It was going well at first, and then my service declined. All right, my emails weren't going out. I could go in there and I can see, but the emails weren't even going out. All right, and then when I would contact customer service, it would be weeks. One time it was a whole month before I got a response from anybody. And I didn't know at that time they had sold the company. And it sure enough, it showed in the service. So, that's the other thing. I had reached out to the owner because I had his phone number. That was so amazing. I had his number, called. He said, I'm no longer owner of the company. Part owner, co-owner. So anyway, in the interim of that, I joined this opportunity, right? The Legacy Builder program. I still had the other system, because it had over 10,000. It was way over that, but I scrubbed my list. That's the other thing. Over the years, you know, you get people that opt into your page. A lot of times they don't do anything. They don't buy anything. They're just there. So I wanted to scrub my list down, and I got it to about 10,000, right? And I joined the Legacy Builder program. The Legacy Builder program utilizes System.io. So I set System.io up just for this program initially, because I still wanted to use my other system, all right? Because I had built so many capture pages and lead pages and all types of things. We had a pretty good recurring passive income coming from that as well. Okay, but the service just wasn't, I gave him time to try to resolve everything. It just wasn't working. So anyway, since I had started in Legacy Builder program and I was using System.io, I decided just to transition over to System.io. But I took my time a little bit because I had a lot of scrubbing to do with my list. I exported my list from over there. And I understand, and I reached out to System.io just to be clear on that as well. If I could import my leads over, they told me I could. I haven't completely done all that yet, but I do have my list that I downloaded. Okay, all my leads after I scrubbed them down. So anyway, once I started with the Legacy Builders program, I got a chance to kind of get familiar with System.io. And it's a pretty easy, newbie-friendly platform. And the customer service answers, okay? It's typically 24 hours to get back with you, but they do get back with you. All right. So that's great. So since I was already with them, again, I just went ahead and transitioned all the way over. And I have been with System.io. Of course, I already have them for Legacy Builder, but I went ahead, I created a few more funnels for a couple of my other opportunities. So let's look at those. Hang on one second here. So take a look. You see I've got my postcard tycoon for those of you interested in offline marketing where you can earn $300 commissions mailing postcards. You can go to www.thepostcarddiva.com. I built a funnel for that. Also, it's not a funnel, but it's a page, if you will, like a sales page for Coffee and Coins. You can go there, www.coffeeandcoins.info. I'm working on my free system. I haven't completely finished it yet. I've got a funnel there and then a social media content. So you can see, and then of course we got our Legacy Builder funnels in there. So I have on my own created these other funnels. So I really like the ease of System.io. So just want you guys to know that. So that's what we're using. Now, you can set yourself up a free account. I'll put the link in the description. So I am glad I was exposed to this system in lieu of getting involved with Legacy Builder program, because actually I had never heard of System.io prior to this program. So wanted you guys to know, great one to get started. I started with the free system. Okay, you can start with the free system. Again, the link is in the description. But I ended up upgrading because you get, and let's look at that, get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. So put your email in here, get your free system. No credit card required. But what ended up happening, because like I said, I ended up transitioning the Tycoon, my Coffee and Coins, and of course the Legacy Builders program. So the way this one works, so let's just take a look at the pricing real quick. All right, so check it out, guys. The free system, you can have 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails sent, and they emails do go out. Okay, because I copy myself on everything, and I get those emails just like this, no delay. So great deliverability with System.io. All right. So the free system, 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails sent, 3 funnels, 15 sales funnel steps, 1 blog, unlimited blog posts, 1 course, students. I'm not really interested in it. I'm just showing y'all what's in here. So see everything you get. But what I do need is the tags. So see, you only get 1 tag, right? So that's fine if I'm just promoting 1 opportunity, right? So if you're just promoting Legacy Builder program, or you just have 1 program that you want to promote, you're good. You can stay right here in the 2,000 contacts for free. So what was important to me was the tags, because I have more than 1 opportunity I'm promoting, so that wouldn't last, right? So 1 tag, 1 email campaign for that 1 program. Let's see what else we were concerned with. Those were the 2 things. Oh, and the domains. You can have only 1 domain tied to that free system, right? So when I first started out, that was fine, because all I was promoting was the digital program. But after I realized I was going to transition from that old marketing system to this system, I have other programs that I promote. So I ended up upgrading. But I just want you to see where you can start. Okay, so you can start right here for free. Okay, you just got 1 program to promote. 1 program, 1 tag, Okay. And then the other thing was the domains. You're going to have one domain tied to this. All right. So I ended up upgrading. Right now, I'm at the $27 a month. Now, my old marketing system was $50 a month, but I didn't have to pay that because I had other people that signed up under me. So once you had, with the old system, once I had 2 people that was paying $50 a month, that took care of mine, right? Because I was earning $25 per referral. So as long as they kept that membership, I didn't have to pay mine because it would be $50 a month, right? So over here, though, even I'm starting from scratch again, but it's only $27 a month, guys. So even for the folks that said, well, hey, I was paying $50 with you, or if you were paying higher, you can get for $27, look what you get. 5,000 contacts. You can have 10 sales funnels, 50 sales funnel setups, 5 blogs. Let me go down here. Unlimited community, all that. 10 automation rules, okay? Because when you set up your system, you have to set up the rules. So 10 different rules. 10 tags, okay, versus the 1. 10 email campaigns. So I can promote pretty much, say I had 10 opportunities, right? Each one of them have different automated emails that I set up for them, right? Let's see what else was important to me. The domains. Let's get to that. 3 domains here. Okay? 3 domains. So I can have 3 different domains for that 27. Now, I'll probably be upgrading here because, check it out, 10,000 contacts. That's not the big deal for me right now because I haven't imported those, all of those contacts over here yet. But what I'm liking here is, look, 100 rules, 100 tags, 100 email campaigns. Check this out. How many domains can you have over here? 10. 10 domains. Okay, up to 10. So that's great. So this is where we are. But I am loving this. Now, if you want to go all in, unlimited everything, they've got a $97 a month plan, which from my understanding is very comparable to, what's the other one? Is it ClickFunnels, I think? So this one, you got unlimited contacts. Look, everything just about, I believe, is unlimited. Look, unlimited, 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 all the way down. Look, how many domains? As many as you want. Okay, as many as you want. Great customer service. All right, let's see what else. Then you can integrate your payment processors in here. Let's say if you had a program, your own program, you want to tie into this, you could do that with PayPal and Stripe. But let's keep going up here. So email campaigns, guys, unlimited. Tags, unlimited. That's awesome. So very low cost. Okay, they have something for everyone, but you can actually get started for free. Okay, so I want to bring that to you guys' attention because I used to talk about my old marketing system, but I haven't officially told you guys this is the one I'm using right now. This is the one I'm using. And it's very user-friendly, very newbie-friendly as well. Ease, you can earn with ease. You can learn with ease with it. Very easy to navigate. All right? So this is definitely one I would recommend you guys checking out. The link is in the description. You can set up a free account. Set up your funnels. You can have 3 funnels with this one. 1 domain. Okay, 1 domain, 1 tag, and that will get you started, guys. Okay, so go to the link in the description. Get your free account. If you already know you want the 27, you can do that too. It's up to you. Okay, one more time. The 27, you get 5,000 contacts. Unlimited emails will be going out. You can set up 10 funnels, 50 sales funnels, steps. And you can see what's important to you. 10 tags, like on my emails, right? So if I've got an email campaign for the tycoon, that would be a tag name that I would come up for that one. Then I'd have a tag name for my legacy builder program. Then I may have a tag for, let's say, another program that I have. See? So each program I have a tag name for the autoresponder. So you can have 10 with the 27 a month. And then you can have 3 domains. If you want to port over your domains, GoDaddy or whoever, you can do 3 with that 27 a month. So definitely go check this system out. This is the one that we're using for our Legacy Builder program. I'm using it for the Tycoon. Let me show you the page that I created for the Tycoon. I created this page in there for the Tycoon, and the Tycoon is still rocking. We're 8 years in. For folks that want to make money offline, $300 commissions in the mail, mailbox money, right? And then I've got Coffee and Coins. Hang on. All right, this is my Coffee and Coins page here I created. You can link in videos. You can link in pictures, guys. As you can see, I actually put this together. They got some templates in here. You edit them just a little bit, and you just drag in your information. Here's my spritz. I'm promoting spritz, right? Here's my crypto projects. I plug these in, and remember, I didn't know anything about System.io. Okay, so I learned from scratch as well. So you know it had to be newbie friendly, right? So there's the crypto projects. Here we've got our digital program we're promoting here. And then right here we've got our done for you AI eye-catching faceless images that you can purchase. We click here and it'll take you over there. All right. And then here's our other program, all from System.io, guys. Very newbie friendly. Check it out. See, I click here. It's going to take me over, see, over to my images that you can purchase. Done for you. You can post these, guys, to promote your business opportunity. So I made this page in there. So go check out System.io, and as you know, our Legacy Builder program, for those of you that's interested in learning how to make money online, this is definitely a program I highly recommend. We've got over 20,000 members in the community, but you're able to learn, guys, and earn at the same time with step-by-step guidance, all right, with this program. And if you look on this page, we list, okay, the system is free, right? But you're going to pay the $29 one time for your website. This is for the Legacy Builders program. But System.io is free, okay? So this is what we're using for this program, and it's working fine. No issues with it at all. All right, so get your system, get your system. All right, the link is in the description. Go check it out. All-in-one marketing platform. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you, guys. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.